nag-enjoy naman ako. Pero, ano lang, hindi lang maganda eh, siyempre, natalo kami. Ano, parang, we did not play our usual game in this game. So, but, you know, it's good to be back in the floor, and hopefully yung laro kanina makakuha ng konting rhythm and be maging ready for the next, just in case magkaroon ng opportunity again. Not really. And same system naman yung tinatakbo namin. Diba, more or less, actually, or kahit naman wala akong matagal, alam ko pa rin kung ano mga dapat yun. It's just a matter of yung rhythm lang na going back and forth, playing in the rhythm. So, pero malaking bagay yun. Ginawa ni Coach Tim yun siguro for me to be ready, because this was my first game after a long time. So, yun yung nangyari kanina. But again, it's good to be back. Sayang lang, we didn't get the win, but San Miguel is a strong team. We expected that they're gonna really come back stronger. And we did not respond doon sa challenge na yun. So hopefully, the next game, best of 5, we get the game 1 again. Oo man. Elimination. So, paglaro naman. So, ito lang yung first game in the playoffs. First game in the playoffs. Always ready.
Mga players mo ba nandiyan?
Wala eh.
Hindi sila nandiyan.
Wala eh. Baka Sunday. Namimili sila ng venue eh.
Pero nung dito sa Ninoy,
Yung makuha ko. Oo, hindi lahat. Pero baka Sunday, dahil nakita nila naglaro ko, malamang manonood yung mga yun Sunday. May practice kami tomorrow. We'll start getting together tomorrow to ask the schedules of the players kasi pasukan na next week. So that's a challenge for me again. Kung paano sila ihilahin sa mga schools nila. Yeah, it's a tournament. I mean, the tournament is already set, but the preparation, that's the challenge. With the school, school schedule. So tomorrow we'll have a first practice, get together.
Same lineup.
Yes, but may mga tinawag ako na ibang players, probably mga 9 players galing sa iba. So, na mga train na namin, actually train while we were in the competition. Meron kasi yung developmental team, Coach Kurt is the one handling the developmental team. Kumbaga parang team lead. So, we'll see kung anong development na nangyari. Medyo malalaki, but hindi talaga yung malaki. Kasi wala talaga sa age na to, wala talaga kami nakitang malalaki. So, we'll see kung ano pwede natin magawa. Okay. Thank you.